Hey, it's your girl Precious Stevens of the Posh Academy, and I'm only here to tell you about an exciting event I'm having tomorrow. You probably seen it around, you probably saw it on Facebook, you probably saw a notification, I don't know. But just in case you missed all of that, I want to tell you personally and invite you to join me tomorrow for a special live broadcast for Flash Sale Friday. Now, this is our first time doing this, so not only is it going to be exciting, but it's going to be amazing for you guys because we are slashing prices on specific fabrics. Now, in order for you to know which fabrics, guess what? You gotta join me live. So all you gotta do is click that button below and just sign up for the reminder so you know when I'm going live. But it will be 12 noon Eastern Standard Time. Sign up for the event so you can be there and see exactly what we want to have on sale. Not to mention, it's going to be shipped out that day because we're only putting on sale the items we have in stock. No back orders or anything like that, right? So I hope to see you guys on tomorrow's broadcast.